Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing an anti-hair fall shampoo. So the product we are going to review today is called L'Oreal Paris Elseve Arginine Resist Free Time Reinforcing Shampoo. So on the front of the bottle it is written new, longer hair, stronger, resistant. Additionally it mentions free hair complements, arginine, protein and berry-free vitamin. And it also mentions number 1 nourishes the bulb, number 2 strengthens the fiber, number 3 hair grows more resistant. It is for weak hair with hair fall tendency. At the back it says the specificities of fragile hair. Fragile hair lacks essential nutrients. Depleted from the roots, they resist to external aggressions, tend to fall or break easily, preventing you from keeping them long and resistant. The secret for long, stronger hair is a new powerful formula enriched in 3 hair supplements, arginine, protein, and vitamin B3. Enriched with the amino acid arginine, which is essential for the growth of hair, the formula provides a triple action to reduce hair fall, nourishes the bulb, strengthens the fiber, the hair grows more resistant, and etc. It is too long to read. I'll put the picture. And it also contains almost the same ingredient as any commercial shampoo. So the participant has been using this product for over 2.5 months. The bottle is already over. It is a 250 ml bottle. She basically washes her hair twice or thrice a week, and she does suffer from hair fall. Not an extreme case, but light hair fall. Now the packaging is extremely cheap. It fell in my shower and the top broke. However, the scent is good and the price is affordable. The formula is not too thick so that I have to use a big amount of it every single time. Now if you have dry hair, I would request you to stay away from it. It can dry your hair. So after 2 months, I can guarantee you that this product does not work. There's no hair strengthening, no reduced hair loss, nothing happened. It was a basic shampoo which just cleans your scalp. So I personally won't recommend it. It truly did not work on light hair fall. I doubt it will work for extreme cases. Also, I say dry hair should stay away from it. So this product is definitely a no. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you found it useful, and if yes, then please do like and share the video, as well as click on the subscribe button, as well as the little notification button. Till next, take care.